Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. And this is being hosted by Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle and the Grace Life DIY home decor, and that's me. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss it. Now, heading over to the video, we're going to go ahead and cut up a couple of cutlets into cubes. Then you decide whether you want smaller pieces or bigger pieces. I'm cooking for my boys, so I want them a little bit bigger than normal. And then we're going to place those in the pot. And then we'll move on to the next step. Now, for all of you who are watching, this is a new collaboration that we're launching. You can cook any breakfast, lunch, or dinner, dessert, anything that we're taking a healthier step to make. Most of these things we're cooking at home, and we are trying to keep it low carb, but you don't have to. So long as we're making healthy choices, right, and moving in that direction, I think that we are going to be supporting each other and encouraging each other to stay on track, guys. Now, getting back on track, Fit for Life, this is an ongoing collab. So this will be going every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm always going to be here. If you have any questions, make sure and send me a message or send Melissa a message, and we will be more than happy to answer your questions. Now, once we have all that chicken diced up in the pan, we're going to go wash our hands and then go over to the stove to continue with our seasoning process. Now, usually I start out with my house seasoning, and that's salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. Anything outside of that, you guys can adjust with the spices that you guys like to use. So remember, I start out with salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano, and parsley, and then I just continue on from there with the seasonings that you guys like. Now remember, I don't normally do measurements. I usually do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and sometimes I'm laughing because that's just the way my mother always cooked. And so I adjust everything as I keep adding. So if I'm adding chicken stock, which you're going to see me doing soon, then I'm going to go ahead and adjust again the spices. So anytime you add something, guys, make sure you're going back and taste to see if you need to adjust the seasoning accordingly. Now I did add some olive oil to the pan before adding the chicken. So this was probably somewhere around, I'm going to say maybe a quarter cup. Now here I'm cutting up some zucchini because I decided to add that to the dish. I am really excited about this dish, guys, because it is so delicious, you won't believe. So now we're going to go ahead and chop up some onion. Now we added that to the chicken, and now we're just going to stir around. What we're doing is stir frying, guys, and we want to make sure that chicken is fully cooked. So now we're going to move on to these spaghetti noodles. These are made from shiitake mushrooms. They're not normal pasta noodles, and they come very thin. They're absolutely delicious, and these are the carb option that I'm using to make like a chicken version of lo mein at home. Now we added those pasta noodles. We added some sesame oil. We also added a little bit of aminos, which is like soy sauce. And then we go back and we adjust the taste. If you want to make this spicy, you can add some crushed red pepper or cayenne pepper, whatever it is that you guys would like. Some people love like fresh chilies and things like this. But we are going to go ahead, saute this. And guys, this is absolutely delicious. I cannot wait for you to see the end result. Now, I forgot to tell you guys that I decided to add some ginger powder to this. Okay, so we're getting ready to plate this up, and I cannot wait for you to see this. So let's head on over there. Now this looks so delicious, guys. You cannot believe. I wish you could taste it right off my plate. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's go over to the reveal. Now, I just want to thank everybody who jumped into this collab just to join us. And I cannot wait to see you next Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait to see you there, guys.